right, you ready?
Ready.
All right. In 3, 2, 1. God almighty!
Damn!
Woo! Woo! Holy crap!
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome to 2020, and this is, of course, the 2019 rewind. I do one of these every year just to kind of recap what we do all year, because it's been crazy. It's been nuts, and it's some extreme highs and some extreme lows, and you know, we're still here for the fight, never slowing down, never stopping. I mean, that's what it's all about, guys. So I hope your year was awesome, and I hope you enjoyed the videos. Before we go any farther, I wanted to thank everybody for all of your continued support, the subscriptions and the likes and the comments and the emails and, you know, everything, guys. I'm so humbled and honored to do what I do, and it was kind of crazy looking back over this year and putting this video together, and man, it's awesome. Real quick, guys, I want to talk about a little bit about, you know, what we did all year. I mean, the events were awesome. The builds were awesome. This was the year of the rain. Mustang Week rained out. Foxtoberfest almost rained out. Ford Takeover rained out, pretty much. I mean, it was just, man, all the time. It was something with these events. And so that was rough this year. We got a lot done with the builds. The car is just about to my goal of running 10s with a stock truck motor. We got the dyno numbers for it. We did the meet and greets, got to meet you guys. There was so much happening, and so many builds done, and just, God, I can't even, sometimes it's hard to put into words what it's like to be able to do this and to, you know, quote unquote, live your dream, because I got to tell you guys, that's exactly what it is. So anyway, let's get on to the video. All right, guys, so let's get into it. I try to do a best of based on your submissions every year, and we're going to start off with cam chop, and that is my buddy Eric Williams, Vortex Supercharged, small block Ford, reef blue notch. All right, guys, so next on the docket is the best burnout. And again, these are all submissions. So this is the best burnout Dominic sent to me. He was in his public storage unit and just lit him up. So check it out.
Okay.
All right, next on the list is that little devil with the best wheelie, twin turbo Coyote in a Fox body. He's killing it. The car just gets faster and faster. Check it out. All right, guys, so the most unique Fox body I found at Foxtoberfest, and man, this thing is crazy. Owned by Walter Ziffer. It's over 1,000 horsepower. It's got an iPad in the dash. Check it out. And finally, guys, the best, most insane ride this year was my good friend Shane Tanner. We went down to check him out in North Georgia. 427 Windsor, big turbo. Car's not 100% dialed in, but we just let her rip and check it out.
We ran through some rocks. Wow. Yeah, it feels like Mark's car. The boots comes on and it's just like, that's when your peripheral vision starts to smear.
All right, guys, so there you go. That is the best of for 2019. I hope you enjoyed this video. There's another montage coming after this you won't want to miss. But again, huge thank you from me for everybody that supports this effort. There's no slowdown. There's no quit here. I promise you guys, always going to have something awesome for you. And again, I appreciate the support. Make 2020 your bitch.